Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. After opening the toilet lid and seat, hold the lid firmly and lift it upwards. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is slightly lifted, move it backward. You will see hoses and cables. First, remove the side flush hose. The side flush hose can be unscrewed by hand. Remove the bottom flush hose. The water supply hose will need a wrench to remove. Turn the wrench clockwise to unscrew. After removing the hoses, unscrew the foot sensor cable. Disconnect the foot sensor cable. Reel in the power cable. Now remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Put it aside. Prepare the tools. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is removed from the ceramic toilet bowl, you will see the back of the assembly. There are screws connecting the cover and the base. There are 4 screws to be removed. Unscrew all the fixed screws. Pry open the clips between the cover and the base. Separate the base and the cover. You will find that there are still connecting cables between the base and the cover. Remove the connecting cables. Set the base aside. Next, let's replace the deodorization module. The deodorization module is located underneath the dryer component. Currently, the base has been removed from the toilet seat lid assembly. First, we need to remove the dryer component. Once the dryer is removed, you'll see the deodorization module underneath. Unscrew all the screws securing the deodorization module. Note that there is one more screw securing it here. We are now going to replace the fan unit of the deodorization module. The fan screws are relatively long. You'll need to unscrew them a bit more. Then the fan can be removed. The fan's connector is attached to the main board. Just pull it firmly to disconnect it. If you're only experiencing an issue where the deodorizing fan isn't working, you only need to replace this one component. Now, take the new fan unit. Place it in the correct position. Tighten the screws. Organize the cables and reconnect the plug to the main board. Also, reinstall the screws for the duct bracket. Make sure the air outlet direction is correct. Once done, secure the fan unit back in place. Then reattach and tighten the screws for the dryer component. Finally, check all cable connections to ensure everything is secure. Look over the assembly to make sure there are no issues. Then reassemble the base with the cover and reinstall it onto the toilet ceramic body. Take base back and install it. Reconnect the connecting cables to the main board. Once the connections are done, join the base and the cover together. Pay attention to the clips on this side. Also, pay attention to the clips at the back. Combine base and cover. Tighten the base's fixing screws again. Once all the screws are tightened, the assembly is complete. Reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the ceramic toilet bowl. First, install the foot sensor cable. The foot sensor cable has a specific insertion direction. There is a notch on the top. Once the foot sensor cable is connected, install the water supply hose. Use a wrench to tighten the water supply hose. Next, install the side flush hose, which is located on the side of the toilet. Install the bottom flush hose. After tightening the hoses, check to make sure there are no issues and that they are all securely tightened. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.